dead, and she opened and she let him in. Oh, then she has blessed the rainy night, cold, rainy, windy night. Oh, then she has blessed the rainy night that she opened and she let him in. Oh, soldier, soldier, stay with me. Soldier, soldier, won't you marry me? Oh, no, 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 it may not be so fair. Think it well forever. Then she has wept for the rainy night, cold, rainy, windy night. Oh, then she has wept for the rainy night that she opened and she let him in. Falls night on the road, I'm going to me school, says the wee boy, and still he stood. What is on your back, says the falls night on the road, me bundles and me books, says the wee boy, and still he stood. I came a walking by your door, says the falls night on the road, it lay in your way, says the wee boy, and still he stood. From your dog a stone, says the falls night on the road, I wish it was a bone, says the wee boy, and still he stood. That says the falls right on the road, they're mine and me father's, says the wee boy, and still he stood. Now many shall be mine, says the falls right on the road, the ones that have the blue tail, says the wee boy, and still he stood. You cannot get the share of them, says the wee boy, and still he stood. By the stick all in your can, says the falls right on the road to keep me from old golden arm, says the wee boy, and still he stood. I wish you were in yonder tree, says the falls right on the road, a ladder under me, says the wee boy, and still he stood. The ladder it'll break, says the falls right on the road, and you will surely fall, says the wee boy, and still he stood. Says the falls night on the road, a good boat under me, says the wee boy, and still he stood. The boat will surely sink, says the falls night on the road, and you will surely drown, says the wee boy, and still he stood. As your mother more than you, says the falls right on the road, I'm not nothing for you, says the wee boy, and still he stood. I think I get a bell, says the falls light on the road, it's ringing your tail, says the wee boy, and still he stood.